If your Apple Pencil is connected to your iPad but won't write or respond, the issue is usually easier to fix than it seems. In most cases, you can restore normal functionality with a few simple troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Check pencil compatibility. Start by confirming that your Apple Pencil is compatible with your iPad model. Apple has multiple Apple Pencil models, including the first generation, second generation, USB-C Apple Pencil, and Apple Pencil Pro, and each one only works with specific iPad models. If you recently upgraded your iPad or purchased a different Apple Pencil, it may appear connected but still not function properly if it isn't supported. Step 2. Test the Apple Pencil. Open the built-in Notes app and create a new blank note. Try writing or drawing with the Apple Pencil. If it works in Notes but not in another app like Procreate or GoodNotes, the issue is likely with that specific app rather than the pencil itself. Close the affected app completely, update it from the App Store if an update is available, and then test the pencil again. Step 3. Replace the pencil tip. A loose or worn Apple Pencil tip can prevent the pencil from registering input even though it remains connected through Bluetooth. Gently unscrew the tip, inspect it for dust or damage, and screw it back on until it is snug without over-tightening it. If the tip appears worn, cracked, or damaged, replace it with a genuine Apple Pencil replacement tip and test the pencil again. Step 4. Charge the Apple Pencil. A very low battery can sometimes cause the Apple Pencil to stay connected while failing to respond properly. Attach a second-generation Apple Pencil or Apple Pencil Pro magnetically to the side of the iPad, or connect a first-generation or USB-C model using its supported charging method. Allow it to charge for at least 15 to 30 minutes before checking whether it starts working again. Step 5. Restart your iPad. Temporary software glitches can interfere with Apple Pencil input even when the Bluetooth connection is active. Restart your iPad using the normal power menu, wait for it to turn back on completely, and then reconnect the Apple Pencil if necessary. This refreshes system services and often resolves temporary communication problems between the pencil and the iPad. Step 6. Reconnect the pencil again. If the pencil still won't write, remove its Bluetooth pairing and reconnect it. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth, tap the information icon next to your Apple Pencil, and select Forget this device. Pair the pencil again using its normal connection method and wait until the pairing process completes. Re-establishing the Bluetooth connection often fixes corrupted pairing information. Step 7. Update iPadOS. Running an outdated version of iPadOS can sometimes cause Apple Pencil issues due to software bugs. Go to Settings, then to General and Software Update and install any available updates. After the update finishes, reconnect your Apple Pencil and test it again. Keeping iPadOS updated ensures you have the latest bug fixes and compatibility improvements. Step 8. Force restart the iPad. If a regular restart doesn't solve the problem, perform a force restart. For iPads without a home button, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the top button until the Apple logo appears. For iPads with a home button, hold both the home and top buttons together until the Apple logo appears. After the iPad restarts, test the Apple Pencil again.